Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be chatting all about this Lindsey Tote from Latico. Hello, I hope you're doing well. I'm really excited for today's video because I have a new bag from one of my favorite leather bag brands, and that's Latico. You guys know Latico is not new here on my channel. I've shared a number of their bags over the years. I'll link some of those down below if you've missed them, but I was itching to kind of try a new style from them, and the Lindsey drew my attention because of the way that it is so soft, it's so floppy, it's unstructured. I wanted a bag that was gonna just hug my body when I wore it, and I've been really drawn to these like hobo style bags. I don't know what it is, it's just like they're very in this season and I love them. So this one was an immediate yes for me. I got it in this beautiful like tan color, but they have other colors on the website. I will put the link to this bag so that you can see the current ones that are in stock. And if they go out of stock, which this one has a couple of times now, they do a pre-order typically and then they come kind of back in stock. But I love this tote so much. Latico's leather is some of my favorite, as you guys know. It is full grain leather. It is so soft. It smells heavenly, but it's that kind of type of leather that's really gonna show all of like its imperfections over time and like kind of give character. So I really love that. They wear so well, like the longer you have them, it's almost like the better that they get. So truly, I'm a big fan, and I'm excited to kind of share this style with y'all. Okay, so walking through this one really quickly, and then I'm gonna put the camera down, of course, and pack it up so that you can see everything that fits inside of this Lindsey Tote. There is only one way that you can carry this bag. It is a true shoulder bag, and one of the things I love about it is how thick the top strap is on this bag. It is stationary. It's a hobo style bag, so it's not gonna like detach or anything like that. But I really like that the shoulder strap part is a little bit thicker because when you wear it, it does not move off your shoulder. It is one of the more comfortable bags that I have because of how thick this strap is at the top. It seriously kind of like hugs your body when you wear it. That's really the only way that I can describe it. I have it here completely empty, but you can put it kind of behind your back and wear it more like that, but there's only like one way that you can carry it. There's no crossbody option or anything like that. As far as exterior pockets on this one, you do have one on the back, and it is a kind of wallet or cell phone or key pocket. It is magnetic, so it has a little bit of like a closure to it. But besides that, you don't have any other exterior pockets. It's just kind of that soft leather. Opening up the inside, it is a really good drop length. So when you're wearing it, you can easily grab whatever it is that you need to get in and out of this bag. So there's no like fuss with it. Sometimes with hobo bags, like the strap is sewn too short. So you're trying to get things in and out of it when you're wearing it and you just can't. You have to take the bag off and it's a whole thing. But this one is not that way. It is very nice drop length and super comfortable. Inside the bag, you do have a little bit of organization and a couple of unique things. You have two pockets here on the one side. One's a little bit bigger than the other. And then when you flip the bag around, you have even more internal organization. You have a big zip pocket, and then you have some credit card kind of pockets. And then you have a little loops on the side there. If you have chapsticks or pens or whatever, you have a lot of like organization. But one of the really cool things on the inside of this bag is this water bottle holder. So over here on the side, you have this elastic piece, and you're able to put a water bottle right there on the side, so it's not moving around and getting lost inside your bag. So opposite of where the water bottle was, on the other side, you have a really long key leash, which is awesome to attach your keys or your headphones or whatever you need to kind of put on here to grab quickly so it doesn't get lost like inside the main area of the bag. I also wanted to touch on this really cute accessory from Latico because you're gonna see it packed inside the bag here in a minute, but I wanted to briefly go through it because you're gonna see it in so many future packing videos. It has quickly become one of my favorite accessories. These are the poetry pouches. They come with this really cute wristlet, a larger pouch, and then this smaller kind of snap closure pouch, which is perfect for my AirPods. They fit like a dream inside here. You could easily use this as like a little mini like change or cash or whatever. It's just like the cutest little pouch. But inside this bigger one here, I did want to show you, it is such a cute interior pattern color, but you also have some card slots. So if you wanted to use this as like a on-the-go wristlet for like a wallet, you have a lot of room in there, and then you have a spot for cards. And then of course you can put your little pouch inside if you wanted to, or you can have this attached to the outside, but this is such a great little accessory. All right, so that kind of sums up this bag. I want to go ahead now and put the camera down so that you can see what fits inside. I will also have a link down below to this bag as well as my What's in My Bag blog post page, and that is a page that lives on my blog. It kind of holds any and everything that you would ever see inside my bags. It has things from wallets to pouches to planners to gadgets, beauty things, books I read. I mean, it has everything on there. So if you're looking for a link to something that you see packed inside here, definitely check there first. But if you can't find it, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. All right, here is the Lindsey Tote. Fully packed. I have so much in this tote right now, you would be shocked. And the main reason that I don't have it closed at the top and I just have it kind of open like this is because I have my iPad back here in the back. So you'll see when I take out this larger piece, how much more room is really in this bag and how it can easily close. But I carry mine almost all of the time. Anytime that I have a bag that's big enough for it, I will pack it in there. And I did wanted to make sure I showcased that it fits in there. Absolutely no problem at all. So we'll go ahead and start. I'll start pulling kind of everything out of it so that you can really see capacity wise what fits inside. As far as exterior pockets of this bag, the only one that you have is here on the back of the bag, and it is a magnetic closure kind of button. And the only thing I have back here is my Touchland hand sanitizer in this neoprene sleeve here. And then I have my external battery for all of the things. I love this one because you can push the button here on the side and it tells you how much battery is left. It has a little wristlet and it has all of these different ports and charging cables, kind of all built in one. So love that. I have that kind of tucked down in the back there. And then taking out the main big thing inside this bag. It is this puffy sleeve from Amazon that I love because it really protects my iPad. But inside here, I just have my iPad Pro with the Magic Air kind of keyboard with this like felt line kind of case. And I also have my 8.5 by 11 calendar stuck down in there. I could easily put other notebooks if I wanted to, or papers or things like that. That's why I kind of love this case. So have that down in there. And now you can see when I take that out, how easy the bag can kind of close up and hobo, and it is just so fantastic. Moving on to everything else inside the bag here. As you can see, tucked over here on the side is my Owala water bottle, and it is not going anywhere. Like, this bag is so soft and unstructured, and this water bottle stays secure on the very side of the bag because it has not only one, but two different elastic holders on the side. So it will really hold the water bottle in place. If there was just one at the top, it still might have the propensity to kind of fall over, but there's actually two down in this bag here that will put whatever you need in a secure place. If you have an umbrella, if you have any size water bottle, or like a drink of any kind, this is a great, really tight pocket. So that's what I have over here on the side of the bag. I have attached here to the really long key leash that's inside this bag, the poetry pouches that I spoke about earlier. I love these. They're so crazy soft. I have my keys attached there. I also have in this small pouch my AirPods, And then I am actually using this wristlet here as my wallet and kind of grab and go bag. I have all my cards back here in these card slots. And then I have a bunch of little things that I need pretty frequently. So if I want to just pop out to the store or run in somewhere really quickly and not grab my whole bag, I can just grab this and I have pretty much anything that I need, honestly. I have my gum tucked down in there, a couple of hair ties. I also have some eye drops. I have this little pill case off of Amazon, and inside here I have my vitamins and headache medicine, and then I have a lip gloss down in there. So all the basics, my cards, I have cash back behind here as well. And it's just a great little kind of grab and go. So that's what I had attached to the key leash in there. Then the only thing left that I have in the main bulk of the bag are these two pouches here from Target. They are just clear kind of mesh pouches. They come in a big pack and they're super cheap. I've really been liking packing with them lately. In this small skinny one, I have all of my charging cables. I have my memory card case. I have my adapter. It's just all of my little like electronic type things, if you will. And then in this brown one, I love the way I have this one packed. Actually, I have my pens down in here. I have some whiteout. I have a highlighter. I also have some sticky notes in there. I have the book that I'm reading, and then I also have my little notebook that I've been using as a planner. And all of that fits really well inside this pouch. So I can keep all this loose stuff just in one spot and just grab this out if I wanna like grab my book or something like that. I also have way over here in the corner my eyeglasses. And then inside the bag here attached to these little loops, I have a couple of different lip products. They are the perfect size for lipsticks or lip glosses or things of that nature. They're a little large for a pen. I imagine you could fit a highlighter really well in there, but a regular size pen, it's just a little bit too big for those. But I have a couple of lip glosses, and then in these card slots, I have some sticky notes, and then I also have my little magnetic loopy for my phone. So have that in there, and then I don't have anything. Oh no, I lied. I have my pill case back here in this back pocket. And then I have my little mini hairbrush back there as well. I could easily fit a couple more things if I wanted to. And then in these front slip pockets here, I just have my body spray and I have my hand cream. So there you have it. There is everything that I have packed in my Lindsey. It is such a fantastic tote. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in this leather Lindsey tote from Latico. I absolutely love it and highly, highly recommend it. I will have links to everything down below. Should you want to shop this bag or anything else that you've seen today. If you have any questions or comments, I'm always happy to help. Feel free to leave those below. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you soon. Bye.